Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to hide products from search in your Shopify store. This is useful if we want to keep certain products private, out of search results, or only accessible through direct links. In your Shopify dashboard, the first thing we need to do is go to Settings. We can find Settings in the lower left corner. Just click on it. Next, we need to click on Meta Fields and Meta Objects. Once we're here, click on Products and then click Add Definition. Let's name this Hidden Product. Now we need to select the type. We can choose a meta object, for example, a product. Once that's done, we can select the categories and filters if needed. When we're ready, just click Save. After saving, we need to go back to the Shopify home screen. Click Shopify in the upper left, then go to Products. Once we're here, click Add Product. Let's add a product, for example, a shirt. We give it a name and description. When we scroll down to the bottom, we can see the Hidden Product field. We can mark this product as hidden. As we can see, we can select whichever products we want to hide. Once we've made our selection, just click Save, and that product is now hidden from search in our Shopify store. And that's how we hide products from search in Shopify. This gives us better control over what customers can find in our store.